We crave control. We seek certainty in a world painted with impermanence. This deep-seated desire to control the uncontrollable becomes the very source of our suffering. We cling to outcomes, to people, to possessions, mistaking attachment for security. But life, in its infinite wisdom, unfolds on its own terms. Attachment is the invisible chain that binds us to our suffering. The tighter we grip, the more we suffocate the possibility of peace. True freedom, we discover, lies in letting go. Attachment whispers promises of happiness, but delivers only the pain of unmet expectations. We invest our hopes in fleeting things, a promotion, a relationship, a desired outcome. When these external circumstances shift, our carefully constructed world crumbles. A relationship ends, leaving us heartbroken. A cherished dream goes unrealized, and we are left feeling lost and defeated. We suffer not because these events occur, but because we have attached our well-being to their permanence. We believe that happiness is an elusive destination, always just out of reach. But true happiness cannot be found in the impermanent. It blossoms in the present moment, free from the chains of attachment. Detachment is not about indifference or emotional numbness. It is not about withdrawing from the world or suppressing our feelings. True detachment is about releasing our desperate need to control. It is about accepting that change is inevitable, that loss is a part of life. Detachment allows us to experience the full spectrum of emotions, joy and sorrow, love and loss, without being consumed by them. When we detach, we choose to find our peace within, rather than seeking it in the ever-changing external world. We embrace the present moment, free from the weight of past regrets or future anxieties. Mindfulness is the cornerstone of detachment. It is the practice of bringing our full awareness to the present moment without judgment. When we are mindful, we observe our thoughts and feelings without identifying with them. We begin to notice the subtle and not so subtle ways in which attachment manifests in our lives. We see how our thoughts race toward the future, clinging to desired outcomes, or get mired in the past, replaying old hurts. Through mindfulness, we create space between ourselves and our thoughts. This space is where freedom resides, the freedom to choose how we respond to life's inevitable challenges. Section 5. Witnessing the ego's grip. Observing our attachments. Our ego, the sense of self we construct through identification with our thoughts and emotions, thrives on attachment. It seeks to solidify its existence by clinging to external validation, possessions, and control. As we develop mindfulness, we begin to observe the ego's attempts to maintain its grip. We notice the fear that arises when we contemplate letting go, the resistance to change, the need to control outcomes. This observation is not about judgment. It is about cultivating awareness, the first step in loosening the ego's hold and embracing the liberating power of detachment. Section 6. Releasing expectations. Embracing the flow of life. Expectations are the seeds of suffering. When we attach ourselves to specific outcomes, we set ourselves up for disappointment. Life is a flowing river, constantly changing, evolving, surprising us with its twists and turns. Detachment invites us to surrender to this flow. It is not about giving up on our dreams, but rather about releasing the need to control how they manifest. We can set intentions, take inspired action, and then let go of the outcome. This surrender is not passive resignation. It is an act of profound trust. Trust that the universe is unfolding as it should, and that even in the midst of uncertainty, we are held and guided. The power of self-compassion, navigating detachment with kindness. It is a gentle reminder that we are worthy of love and understanding, especially from ourselves. Detachment is not a destination we arrive at overnight. It is a gradual process, one that requires patience and persistence. It is a lifelong practice, a journey of continual self-discovery and growth. Each step we take, no matter how small, brings us closer to a deeper understanding of ourselves. There will be moments when we falter, when the grip of attachment feels overwhelming, and we question our ability to let go. When we find ourselves lost in the throes of fear or anxiety, it can feel like we are drowning in our emotions. It is in these moments that self-compassion becomes paramount. It is the lifeline that pulls us back to shore, reminding us of our inner strength. We must meet ourselves with the same kindness and understanding we would offer a dear friend. This means being gentle with ourselves, forgiving our mistakes, and celebrating our progress. We must acknowledge our humanness, our imperfections, our capacity for both growth and setbacks. It is this acceptance that allows us to move forward with grace. Self-compassion provides a safe and supportive space for us to learn and grow. It is the foundation upon which we build our resilience. It reminds us that we are not alone on this journey, that others have walked this path before us and will walk it after us, and that every step, no matter how small, is a step towards greater peace. Each moment of self-compassion brings us closer to a life of serenity and fulfillment. The promise of inner peace, finding stillness amidst the storm. In a world that is constantly moving, finding moments of stillness can feel like a rare treasure. Yet, it is in these moments that we can truly connect with ourselves and the world around us. The journey of detachment is not always easy, but the rewards are immeasurable. It requires patience, practice, and a willingness to let go of the things that no longer serve us. But as we walk this path, we begin to see the beauty in simplicity and the power of presence. As we release our need to control, we create space for a deep and abiding peace to enter our lives. This peace is not something that can be forced or manufactured. It is a natural state that arises when we allow ourselves to simply be. We discover that true happiness is not dependent on external circumstances, but rather on our inner state of being. It is a realization that our well-being is not tied to the external world, but is rooted in our own hearts and minds. We find stillness amidst the chaos, a deep sense of calm that arises from within. This stillness is a sanctuary, a place we can return to whenever we need to recharge and reconnect with our true selves. We are no longer at the mercy of life's ups and downs, for we have found our center, our anchor in the present moment. This anchor keeps us grounded, no matter what storms may come our way. Inner peace is not the absence of challenges. It is the ability to navigate them with grace and equanimity. It is the strength to face adversity with a calm mind and an open heart, knowing that we have the resilience to overcome any obstacle. It is the unwavering knowing that we are connected to something far greater than ourselves, a source of strength and wisdom that is always available to us. This connection is our guiding light, leading us towards a life of peace, purpose, and profound fulfillment. Embracing the journey, a gradual path to freedom. This path is not always clear, but it is always present, inviting us to take the next step. Detachment is not a switch we flip, but a muscle we strengthen over time. It requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to let go of what no longer serves us. It is a gradual process of awakening to the truth of our being, to the realization that we are not our thoughts, our emotions, or our circumstances. We are the awareness behind these experiences, the silent observer. There will be days when we flow effortlessly with the current of life, feeling in harmony with everything around us, and days when we feel the pull of our old patterns, struggling against the tide. These moments are natural and part of the journey. The key is to meet each moment with compassion and curiosity, to be gentle with ourselves as we navigate the ups and downs, to view our experiences as opportunities for growth and learning rather than obstacles. Each challenge is a lesson in disguise. The more we practice detachment, the more we realize that true freedom comes from within. The more we cultivate a deep sense of inner freedom, the more we can embrace life fully without fear or hesitation. We begin to experience life with a renewed sense of wonder and awe, seeing the world through fresh eyes, appreciating the beauty in each passing moment. Every breath, every sight, every sound becomes a gift, a reminder of the miracle of existence. A call to action, unlocking the transformative power of detachment. The path to inner peace is paved with the bricks of detachment. It is a journey that requires courage, compassion, and an unwavering commitment to our own awakening. But the rewards, as countless souls have discovered, are immeasurable. Start today. Cultivate mindfulness. Observe your attachments. Release your expectations. Embrace the transformative power of detachment and unlock the boundless peace that resides within you. The journey awaits.